Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Let's talk about duties of a third officer. So, duties is a very normal thing, but it is all about responsibility. Suddenly, you are a decade. So, you were a deck cadet just one moment back. You cleared some exams, which were tough, and today you have joined as with responsibility on board ship. Earlier, you were asking questions. You did not have any responsibility. Yes, you were being scored as a deck cadet, but no responsibility. The moment that responsibility comes, the moment that appellate में one more stripe is added, everything changes, guys. Suddenly, everybody will be looking at you with expectations. So I still remember when I joined my first ship as fourth engineer, the first day was the most anxiety भरा हुआ था यार. My goosebumps कि आज कैसा रहेगा, how will my first night, everything. It happened because suddenly from a junior engineer, that was my first day when I was keeping a watch from 8 to 12 at night. And sometimes you feel lost, अगर यार ये अलार्म आ गया, what to do? If I'll call chief here, he will scold me, तुमको ये भी नहीं आता है. So this is one thing. And I remember when first time I went as second engineer on board ship, that was, I was very happy because salary had increased. But on the other hand, I knew that responsibility changed. And I knew the first day when I was taking toolbox meeting, oilers, fitter, third engineer, fourth, everybody looking at me. And I'm taking the toolbox meeting, first time in my life as a second engineer. क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. And my chief at that time not trusting me because that was my first contract. So there were a lot of challenges. So without wasting any time, let us move away from stories and here. So duty of a third officer, may see navigation is important. There's a deck cadet everywhere. You have to take ship safely from point A to point B. Now it can include making sure that you are making all the right approaches. You know your ROR, everything. You know your work, all about alarms, all about machine, different equipments put it on board ship. And you are asking the right questions, your captain, chief officer, second officer, right? So navigation is very important. So you do your watch keeping from 0800 hours to 12 hours in the morning. Then you go for lunch from 12 to 1. Then again from 1 to 3 you're working on deck on your other things which I'll be talking later. And then after that again you come back from 8 to 12 to do your watch. In this watch it is very critical क्योंकि एक जहाज कहीं अगर ठुक गया, if there is a small incident accident, your COC can be revoked. And yes, this is a very serious thing. So you have to take this navigation very seriously because a company can get bankrupt if you are not doing a proper watch. People can lose lives if you are not doing a proper watch. Most importantly, there can be a disaster in marine pollution if you are not doing a proper watch. So this is very important. Next, safety. So now third officer is also responsible for life saving and firefighting equipments on board ship. Like he is taking care of कि भैया lifeboat equipments are in good condition. All the food equipments or other equipments kept inside lifeboat are in good condition. Rescue boat is working in fine condition. Apart from that, all the fire hydrants are in fine condition. No leakages. All fire extinguishers are in good conditions. Everything signed, and this is very important. So every month I would see on board ship my third officer putting signs on the fire extinguisher that inspected everything in good condition. Yes. Also taking proper round and making sure that lifeboat, life raft, rescue boats are in good condition all the time. Very important. Ships को detain कर लिया जाता है. One small mistake is happening out here. Detained means the port authorities will say कि अब आपके जहाज को they will not allow to sail till the time you rectify it. And that is the time when all the questions come on chief, captain, and then go down below to even to third officer. So as a third officer, it's a big responsibility taking care of your safety equipments on board ship. Suppose करो आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया and when there is an emergency, this thing is not working, a fire extinguisher is not working and आग बढ़ गई, we can lose lives, marine pollution, again a disaster. So this is a big responsibility on your shoulder as a third officer. Make sure that you ensure that all your safeties, all your duties are being fulfilled in the best possible way. Next is cargo handling. In this, you are assisting chief officer with loading and discharging of cargo. You are seeing what a chief officer does so that tomorrow when you become a chief officer, you know how to ensure proper loading and discharging of cargo. Very important. Don't be afraid of asking questions. Don't be afraid of learning, but keep learning. Copy it? Next. Port watches. Maintain port watches as decided by chief officer and master. Out here you do 6 on 6 off. Now this is very difficult phase. So you come ashore on port. Suddenly chief third officer and second officer doing 6 on 6 hours. 6 hours rest, 6 hours watch, 6 hours rest, 6 hours, and it looks easy. It is not. Trust me. You आपको लगता है 6 घंटे जाओगे, you'll immediately go to sleep. It does not happen. Suppose you have slept night time for 5 hours. In the morning it will be very difficult for you to sleep. And what if sometimes you get a call during that also? Hey, the port authorities have come. You have to bring this paperwork, this paper. You have to be on your toes all the time. So especially on the deck side, being a third officer, second officer, don't think that you'll be getting a lot of rest. No, not at all. You are on your toes all the time. Next, inspection and maintenance. Again, as I'm talking about life-saving equipments, firefighting equipments, very, very important. Please know your job well and make sure that you do it in the best possible way. बोसन से सीखिए, AB से सीखिए, चीफ ऑफिसर सीखिए. चलिए next. So again, mooring and unmooring operations, because we have less crew today. So even when the ship is coming aside, ropes are being sent. Third officer is required definitely in the midship region generally. Chief officer goes on the forward and second officer is in the aft, taking care the ship is coming alongside in a proper way. It is not touching the port, and so that any damage happens to the port or to the ship. Plotting courses. Now this is important as well. So out here you're learning a job of becoming a second officer. That is your next job. So you're learning how to plot. Suppose you have to go from A to point B, how to plot a course. This is where you learn on the egg days everywhere कि भैया जाना है कैसे करना है. You learn from second officer. This is very important because एक तो आपका काम है, आपको अपना काम अच्छे से आना चाहिए. Third officer, you need to know your job. What is your present job requirement? But you also need to be learning about the next rank as well. कि third officer, second officer, and what will be my job? I need to know that as well. Definitely not in the first rank, first contract, but in the second for sure. Next is steering the ship. Sometimes steering the ship while closely monitoring their navigational charts and plotting the course. Generally you have got AB to do that, but खुद भी कई बार आपको steering करनी पड़ सकती है. Other duties: assist second officer, sign the muster list, change names, remove old muster list, print out and post renewed muster. This is another very important job. Muster list is कि suppose what are your people are coming on board ship. Chief here मेरी क्या duties on board ship? In emergency से an oil spill हो गया तो मेरी duties क्या हैं? In case of fire, what are my duties? So this is on a big list called a muster list where everybody's duties are mentioned. कि in this emergency what will master do, chief here do, second here do, everything. So now, and their names are also mentioned. So now when a person, duties might remain the same, but what if a chief here is signed off, Praneet Mehta signed off, new chief here is coming in. So that is the time when third officer will be putting your name in the muster list, the new chief engineer's name in the muster list. So that is another job that he has to edit everywhere and make sure that the right names are over there. Along with that, one more thing is, as a third officer, you take new incomers, new on-signers for a familiarization round. Say I join a ship as a chief here, then third officer will come and he will take me for a familiarization round. कि sir देखिए, where is the emergency headquarters station, where is the engine room, where is the CO2 room, where is lifeboat engine, where is the lifeboat, where is the life raft, where is the muster station, what is in the forward, everything. So ये भी is the responsibility of a third officer for taking you for a familiarization round for all the new on-signers. Copied? And then along with that, this is something called third officer handing over notes, where is written ki what are my duties, what have I done, where everything is kept, and what all you have to do. So handover duties के बारे में just a small brief that I would give you. Every engineer, every officer, even deck cadets and junior engineers also write their handover notes. Handover notes is कि भैया there is a little bit written about the ship. आपने अपने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में क्या क्या मशीनरी पे क्या क्या काम किया and what all is being planned in the next 15 days, 1 month, 3 months. Why? So that even when you are on land, you get those handover notes, and in the first 2 days before joining ship, as a chief engineer, when I am joining ship, I get those handover notes from the off signing chief here. Arey bada sahab, you have to do 2 decarbs, you have to overhaul these many pumps, these are the jobs that have been done, these are the surveys that are coming. So you are well prepared ki kya kya hai. So in those 2 days you prepare yourself well with those handover notes, and then you can ask the right questions. So these are the handover notes, like handing over, bhai maine ye kaam kar diya, now you take over. Copied? Next is simple. I hope you like the video. If any queries, please mail us at teammerchantnavydecoded@gmail.com. Follow me at Chief Engineer Praneet Insta, and this is my WhatsApp number. You can always WhatsApp me over. We'll here to solve your queries. 7417349336. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.